Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's such a beautiful day, it's such a beautiful view. I'm at Bahari dhow and I'm going to take you to my room tour. The room that I'm staying, and yeah, it's a dope room. So please click the notification button, the subscription button, the red button on your right, and subscribe to my channel. Man, this place is hot. Man, it's crazy hot, but I'm really enjoying every moment. The breeze of the ocean and all that. What? I'm already sweating out, if you can notice. It's giving me a certain glow back here. I'm at the coast, so again, click the subscription button. What are you waiting for? Let's do the room tour. Previously on the other video I told you like we leave this room. I'll come later on to tell you what it's all about. So this is the master bedroom and it's my room with way, of course. Welcome to my room for the weekend. So this is it. Super spacious. Yeah, it has a double bed, a couch, spacious enough for two, like you see. It is beautiful. It has like aircon, yeah, and then some art there. Big windows. Now on the couch. So the most interesting, most part is my place for like dressing. I'm so far in love with this piece. Oh my god, I can look myself from the head to toe. Look at it. The art work. I love such wood. The wood is so smooth, clean. A small African style, you know. This is what's something unique about this room. It has like so much energy that is so positive, and that's me in the mirror. Getting up for myself. And then let's go to my favorite part, the walk-in closet. That's right guys, I was telling you, wait for it. The walk-in closet, I'm so in love with it. It has like, I don't know why these lights are embarrassing me. Yeah, it's a walk-in closet, like you see. Yeah, very beautiful walk-in closet. You know what, let's say super spacious. Enough for everything, like we haven't, like you had, we left our bag in a different flight. So I'm still waiting for my luggage to come in, and then put things and fill up stuff. But it's spacious, it's reasonable. We offer more like robes and all that, like extra pillows for people who love pillows. I don't love pillows that much. And then this is the thing, the real thing. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this, guys. Reasonable sink. They have given us enough like towels. And the tiling is super clean. I'm spoiled of choices. I love bathtubs. Like I'll have all my moments in the bathtub. There you go. Super clean, lavatories and all that. That is the toilet. See? More space for like doing your stuff, like beautiful lighting and all that. More space for like putting your makeup and all that. And some mirror, because you can do this. It become a closet mirror, like I can look on myself and check out my hair, my dress, my outfit, you know. Yeah. Oh my god, and more space for bathing. Like, yeah, this is a shower. More space, like those are the lavatories, like things for showering. Like I told you guys, this is Bahari. We have like not enough gels and all that. Yes, and that's it. That's it. Reasonable lighting, yeah, good lighting. Like the place. Guys, I had forgotten one more thing. Yeah. That's it. They have like, we have tables, and then this is the most special place. Blinding doors, and I have two chairs for lovebirds. Like, you can sit here with your honey on this balcony, chill out. Yes. Overlook your neighbors of the other villas. From far off, I don't know if you can, in between the trees, you can see the ocean. Yeah, we can decide to pick on the people at the swimming pool, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching my room tour. So please subscribe to my channel. It was fun taking the room tour, and I'm happy and I'm enjoying my weekend. So yeah, remember, everything is possible with God. Cheers. Bye. Subscribe. Thank you.